Good morning. My name is Dr. Wada Ibrahim. Um, this is the beginning part of our lecture. I'm introducing you to data processing and data processing library and information science. This course is a 2-unit course and the code is LIS 902. The way I'm going to be conducting this lecture is that I will be taking it bit by bit. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to the course content, and we'll generally run through it to see what we're going to be learning. As you can see here, this course expects us to learn about data inputs on coding sheets. We'll also learn about coding guides on computer coding sheet. We will look at SPSS, Statistical Analysis Package. This SPSS is called Statistical Package for Social Sciences. Is used for analysis and research, and we're going to be seeing how it looks, how we're going to start with it. We'll also look at how to set up our data, setting up a data file. We're going to be looking at the Windows operating system method and then the coding method, which is the syntax method. Because of our limited knowledge in computer, we may not go deeper into the syntax method. We shall be looking at the aspect where we'll be doing clicking and going. We'll also look at the missing data in case data is collected from the field through any means, using any instrument for data collection. If we have missing data, you understand what is meant by missing data. And then we are going to pay more attention to the last part of this course. I think everything we're going to be doing will generally move around this, the multiple response analysis as the test, one-way ANOVA, which is a one-way analysis of variance with a post-hoc. We shall also be looking seriously at the factorial analysis, correlations. We'll be looking at also linear regression, multiple regression, and non-parametric test if there is time, especially chi-square. And we are going to be going through this course by example. We will typically take the procedure of using example to enable us learn very, very fast. And we shall be working on the example through assignment and through interaction, and where we engage ourselves in question and answering. We may likely deploy the WhatsApp as a medium of communication, since we are going to be individually watching this video to learn, and then I will expect students to come together and talk to one another on areas where they have more clarity and where they have misunderstanding, or where it is not clear. So we'll run through all these course parts, and then we'll ask questions and we'll see what we can learn. And then to enjoy this course very well, I have decided to come up with operational definitions and conceptualization, where we look at all these things. We look at them one after the other, like what do we mean by data input on coding sheet? We will also look at the coding guides on computer coding sheet. When we talk about, when we see SPSS, statistical analysis packages, what do we mean by that? We'll also carefully look at the setting up a data file. I mean, virtually what we have decided to do is to try to clear our understanding as to concept so that whenever we're talking about a particular thing or when we're talking about a specific area, we don't get confused. And so well, that's exactly uh, the reason behind trying to give definition and then looking at the scenario from the beginning to the end. And then I'll come up with a topic that we will use as example, and then we'll look at that in the example, in the topic, we are going to be looking at the variables that are there, whether dependent or independent variable. That's exactly how far we're going to go with this course. So it's going to be a little bit tedious. It's going to require a lot of our time, and it's going to require a lot of our attention, and there's going to be a lot of work to do. We are going to spend few amount of money, because when I come up with the specific research topic, we are going to practically go into collecting data, and that will require maybe developing maybe an instrument for data collection that will require us to print and then distribute, and then we'll now practically see how we can collect our data, collate our data, and then organize our data and see how we can implement them using the statistical package for social sciences, as you can see. And then we'll use the data collected to run all this kind of analysis that you can see here. I think that is going to be great. That's going to be great, and I expect all of us to learn a lot. That means that we should pay serious attention, unlike maybe other courses where you have to just read, understand, and sit down and write test and examination. This one is going to involve a lot of practicality. There's going to be a lot of scenario. There's going to be a lot of examples, and there's going to be a lot of applications. And what I mean by that is that we should expect to pay careful attention to every single bit or whatever we're going to be learning. At this juncture, I would like to bring this part of the lecture, which is the introduction, to an end, and I wish all of us good luck as we prepare for maximum interaction. I remain Dr. Wada Ibrahim, your lecturer, course lecturer on data processing in library and information science. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you. As usual, I expect you to, because I'll upload this all this training, all these lectures on YouTube. So you click on like, and you on your notification, so that I don't need to be calling you manually, and I don't need to be calling you to inform you that the course is ready online. You just get notification. However, link of every uploaded the lecture will be made available in our WhatsApp group, and that's going to be great, so that at your own leisure time, you can click and watch and learn whatever you're supposed to learn. Thank you. Till I return back with the second part of the lecture. Good morning once more.